Tony Monaco, how are you? Thanks for joining us. I really love to teach, and I love to explain the things that I've learned how to do throughout the years of playing music. And I like to pass them on and share them with you. Hopefully some of the things that I've collected might help you. And so this video, playing split keyboards, is all about what I've done my entire life. I've never played a gig ever with a bass player. I've always been my own bass player. I went from playing the accordion to switching over to playing the Hammond organ, which is the first synthesizer and keyboard style keyboard that I played. Later on, I started playing a whole bunch of gigs where I had to bring out a keyboard and maybe put something on top that sounded like an organ to make an organ work, or just keep it split like this. So I'm very excited to present this to you because I've been thinking a long time of how to reach the keyboard players and give you guys some of the insights that we organ players have when it comes to splitting our hands and playing left-hand bass lines, right-hand comp.